or not be on the 4th floor. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Copenhagen. Catherine just met me at the 7-Eleven in the Grand Central Station, and then we walked to our hotel, which is really, really itty bitty. There's not much when it comes to the tour, but it's pretty cute. Looks like this. Also, there is no AC in this building whatsoever. Let's see, I've been traveling for 14 hours and right now it's like 3 a.m. my time, but here in Copenhagen it's literally noon. First things first, I need a coffee in my system to keep me going before I crash. Tonight, Catherine and I are gonna be going to the amusement park, which is like literally here right in Copenhagen. I'm so excited, but we wanna go kind of in the evening where it's more fun, less heat. From the airport, I took a train to the central station and I didn't have any service, so I literally was walking and I asked this local guy to help me. So shout out for helping me out because you were so sweet and I wouldn't have known where to go. Elderberry Prosecco. Apple spritz. Okay, we just finished and now Catherine and I are going to Tivoli, which is the amusement center. Hope I don't throw up, but there is a lot of liquid in my stomach right now, so I can't make any promises.
I throw up. Just kidding.
How are you feeling? Great. You feeling good?
Feeling great.
I love the lifestyle of this place. Okay, we'll see you at Tivoli Gardens.
Like the best ride, I think. Via Vendetta. This map is too hard to read.
That's not really American SeaWorld. I say we just walk up to let's just walk up to a ride and just go on it. So we actually have to buy the wristband.
Ah! Okay, we're gonna have to buy them somewhere.
Crap. Can we not buy them here? They said to put your hair up in a bun.
One whose little feather made no doubt about it. Rose and billy goats within the tree.
This place is actually insane. It's beautiful. Whoever's keeping up with the landscape, 10 out of 10 points. Chicken katsu salad. Oh my god, please do not let me have an allergic reaction today. I ordered this chicken teriyaki ball. We're back from the amusement park and I'm taking off my makeup because this makeup has been on my face, I kid you not, for over 20 hours. So gross. Also, my contacts have been in that long as well. They need to get out of my eyes ASAP. It's about 6 o'clock and Catherine and I ate dinner. We had so much fun at the amusement park and now we're getting ready for bed. It does not get dark until super late here. That's the only thing. 7 a.m. tomorrow, we are going on a run with this tour guide. He's gonna show us all of Copenhagen. Really excited, but kind of nervous because I'm not that good at running. We stopped by this Danish store. It was like the cutest, perfect little Scandinavian place, and I got two things. Favorite moisturizer is the Biosan Squalane and Probiotic Gel Moisturizer. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Both of these things are gonna be for my house in Idaho. The first one is this little miniature 3D decor, and it's just the classic Copenhagen homes. Super cute. I'm gonna put this on my bookshelf or maybe somewhere on my counter. And then the second thing that I got is this big poster. It also says Copenhagen. I'm so excited because I have a Mill Valley poster in my house right now, and this is just going to add to the collection. Everyone, it's 6 a.m. I had like the weirdest sleep last night. One, my sleep schedule is literally so off just because traveling internationally, it does that. Also, it's just really freaking hot here. We have this tiny little fan that was blowing, but there's no AC in Europe, and so it's just I'm not used to it because in Texas, you know, we keep it really, really cold in our houses. But other than that, it was pretty good. And we're going on our run today with the running tour guide in about like 30 minutes. So I'm not gonna wear any makeup today. I think I might eat a Cliff Bar before just because I don't want to like die. But let's change into an outfit. Super excited for today. Before Catherine met me yesterday, she ate here and got this tuna, was it tuna?
No, Caesar salad.
Caesar salad sandwich, and it's just so freaking cute here. Also, the coffee's amazing. Catherine and I are thieves. We stole this bread from the breakfast.
Okay, stole is a strong word.
No, we literally wrapped it up and put it in little napkins. After there was a sign that said, do not do that.
We paid for breakfast though.
True. It's so cute. Gorgeous. Also, Catherine and I are way too short for this meal. Hey vlog, what I eat in a day. Cheers. Cheers. This is our second loaf of bread that we took from the kitchen.
Slice, not loaf.
Fix this if you let me. Make this something special. Still picture us together. Don't let me stay dreaming. I want you and I need you. I want you and I need you.
So we found this little nook called Hooked. Nobody's here right now. I don't know why. I got fish and chips. This is my first time ever having fish and chips. So let's give it a taste test. It's good. Hot. Oh my god. Hot. It's amazing. Like that. That's amazing. Got some ice cream. I got mint chocolate chip. Catherine got half mint, half chocolate. Good morning. We're on the street in Nyhaven. All of these houses to the left of me are so stinking cute. Reminds me so much of San Francisco with all the different colors, but like this is way prettier. We were stopping to take photos and these two basketball players from Israel stopped us and asked if we could take their pictures, and they were really, really cool. And then they took ours, but they were really sweet. Taste test. Wow. Delicious. Catherine and I's new favorite drink is an iced vanilla latte with oat milk. It's kind of weird because I went through like my chai phase, my matcha phase. Well, matcha still is going on. Now I'm in like my coffee phase. Actually, I'm obsessed with these white little cargo pants. I will be getting all of these. Rip my bank account. We're on the train to the airport right now. And that is the end of the Copenhagen vlog. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. Get ready for the Scotland vlog because it's gonna be so, so good. And there's gonna be new faces. All right, I will see y'all later. Ciao.